Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of blurry dashcam footage that's about as useful as an eyewitness with a bad memory? Well, I've got some great news for you. The ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam front and rear is here to change the game. This thing is lightning fast, capturing every detail of the road in stunning 4K resolution. It's like having your own personal HD movie studio right on your dashboard. And with its king-size display, you'll feel like you're right back in the driver's seat, reliving every moment of your journey in crystal clear clarity. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice among drivers. One of the things that really stands out about the ROVE R2-4K Dual is its ability to capture crisp, clear audio. You can hear every detail from the sound of screeching tires to the rumble of the engine. It's like you're right there. The footage is so smooth, you can see every bump and curve of the road. It's like you're reliving the drive all over again. In real life, this means that if you're ever in an accident, you'll have a clear and detailed record of what happened, which can be a huge help when it comes to dealing with insurance companies. And with its dual cameras, you'll get a complete view of the road, from every angle, so you can see what's going on all around you. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road tripper, this dash cam is the perfect companion. It's like having your own personal co-pilot, watching your back and keeping you safe. So if you're looking for a dash cam that can keep up with your active lifestyle, look no further than the ROVE R2-4K Dual. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants to capture their journey in stunning high definition. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.